ज्ञान भक्ति और विश्वास मैत्री त्रिबीजपत्री चिंता चेतना और चिरंतनतार सहयात्री त्रिबीजपत्री। Welcome everybody. Today I invite you to this yet another important class in which we will study about complex sentences. First of all, I would like to explain you what are the types of sentences. That is, the classification of sentences. Classification of sentences are strictly followed by the types of clauses that a sentence carries. Now see, a sentence can be classified into either a simple one or a compound one or a complex one according to the clause that it carries. So sentences having one clause or having more than one clause. If the sentence carries only one clause, it is a simple sentence. So it is a separate sentence having only one clause. If the sentence has more than one clause, again these sentences are divided into two categories. One is compound, another one is complex. Why it is compound? Because the compound sentence contains one main clause plus one coordinate clause. One or more coordinate clauses may be there, but one clause is main clause and the next clause is a coordinate clause. Both the coordinate clause and the main clause are independent clauses because for their meaning, for the completion of the meaning, they do not depend upon any other part of the sentence. गोटे क्लॉज रे जदि अर्थ प्रकाश पाई ताहा अन्य कोनोसी अंश उपरे निर्भर न करे वाक्यर से क्लॉज टी को आमे कहि थाउ इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज, किंतु जो क्लॉज रो अर्थ प्रकाश करिवा पई ताहा अन्य उपरे निर्भरशील होई थाए संपूर्ण भाव रे, ताहाले ताको आमे डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज कहबा. सो इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज दीटा होइथिबो मिनिमम, ता भीतर गोटी को जदि आमे मेन क्लॉज धरिबा अन्यटी को आमे कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज कहबा. बट जदि सेकरे मोर देन वन क्लॉज थिबो, गोटी को आमे मेन क्लॉज धरिबा एवं आ गोटी को सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज करिबा. सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज माने कोन? इट इज a dependent clause. Why it is dependent? Because for the complete sense or meaning, it depends upon the other part of the sentence, right? तेणु तार निजस्व अर्थ प्रकाश पाइबा पाई ताहा अन्य क्लॉज उपरे बा अन्य कोनोसी फ्रेज उपरे निर्भरशील हेउथिबो. तेणु से निर्भरशील क्लॉज टी को आमे डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज कहबा, जहा गोटे कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज आदौ नुह ताहा होचे एक सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज, राइट? सो इफ द सेंटेंस हैज one main clause plus one or more subordinate clause, then the sentence is called a complex one. Complex sentence रा आमे एबे डेफिनेशन जानिलु. Now come to see what the subordinate clauses are in their activity and in their category. Now see some examples of complex sentence. Example 1. The teacher said that man is mortal. This is a sentence. The teacher said, it is the main clause, that man is mortal. This is the subordinate clause because that man is mortal माने कौन? जे मनीष मरणशील, जे मनीष मरणशील, इट इज नॉट ए कंप्लीट सेंटेंस, इट्स सेंस इज नॉट कंप्लीट। तेणु ए वाक्यांशटीर ए क्लजटीर संपूर्ण भावार्थ प्रकाश पाई पारु नाही। जे मनीष मरणशील ताहा निर्भर करुच्ची काहा उपरे ना मूल अंश उपरे, टीचर से, शिक्षक कहिले जे मनीष मरणशील, राइट। अनदर वन इज a teacher is a person who teaches the students here in this sentence there are two parts. One is a teacher is a person. After this is the main part of the sentence. Who teaches the students? In the first sentence you see the teacher said, this is the main clause. That man is mortal, this is the subordinate clause. And in the second sentence, a teacher is a person, this is one main clause, right? Who teaches the students? This is the subordinate clause. Okay, you can take another example also. Hey, for example, Sita came back when others had their meal. Sita came back when others had their meals. Sita फेरी आसिला जतेबेले समस्ते तांकर मील खाई सारी थिले। So Sita came back, this is the main clause. When others had their meals, this one is the subordinate clause, right? So now you see why these sentences are called the complex sentences, because the complex sentence carries two main parts. One is the main clause and the another one is the subordinate clause. If the sentence has only one main clause and one or more than one subordinate clauses, then this sentence is called a complex sentence, right? We have taken the examples. It is clear to you all. Now see, what are the main components of a complex sentence? But a complex sentence क्यों क्यों उपादान गुड़िक अच्छी बा कंपोनेंट गुड़िक अच्छी? Number one, it contains a main clause, MC. Number two, it also contains a subordinate clause or an SC. And number three, a subordinator. So subordinator is a part of speech which connects an MC with an SC. Okay, main clause and subordinate clause को connect करुथिबा, संजोग करुथिबा जो पदटीए बा part of speech टीए ताकू ही आमे कहिबा subordinator. Some ideal subordinators are that, who, which, what, when, where, so that, etc. So these are some subordinators that connect the main clause with the subordinate clause in a complex sentence. Now see, the clause that is the dependent clause with the subordinator is called the subordinating clause. So a subordinate clause is necessarily taking the help of a subordinator. तो सबऑर्डिनेटर सहित सबऑर्डिनेटर सहित जब क्लॉजटी संयुक्त होई रही थाए से क्लॉजटी को आमे कहबा सबऑर्डिनेटिंग क्लॉज। कारण सबऑर्डिनेटिंग क्लॉज ठारू सबऑर्डिनेटरटा पृथक होई न थाए, भिन्न होई न थाए, से जोड़ी की ता सहित रही थाए, राइट। जेमिति फॉर एग्जांपल आमे कहूछु ए ग्रीन ग्रोसर is a man who sells vegetables. A green grocer is a man who sells vegetables. Who sells vegetables? This one is the subordinating clause. Why it is subordinating clause? Because the clause sells vegetable. That means that person, right, is associated with who? Who is the subordinator here? The place pronoun is the subordinator here. And here who is the representative of a green grocer. The green grocer जिए हो सीए, है ना? So the green grocer, a green grocer is a man. This is a complete sentence. That's why it is an independent clause. And this independent clause plays the role of a main clause in this complex sentence. So this one is a main clause. And this one is the subordinating clause. And the subordinating clause is with the subordinator who. Right? So, subordinating clause सहित सब समय subordinator रहिथा है। एवं subordinating clause को बाद दे देला परे जो clause टी रहे ताहा हेउछि main clause complex sentence में। एबे आमे देखिबा ए सबऑर्डिनेटिंग क्लॉज गुडी को केते भाग रे विभक्त करा जाय छै। So kinds of subordinating clauses, we see there are three kinds of subordinating clauses. One is a noun clause, another one is an adjective clause or relative clause, and the third one is adverb clause. Noun clause, adjective clause, and adverb clause. All these are subordinating clauses. तेणु subordinating clause रे तीनोटी कैटेगरी अछि. For the time being, the chapter of complex sentence is over. Right? Have a nice day.